As a matter of fact, I'm not even one bit hungry. Usually he gets him down in time for Halloween. Ugh. No, that's not Santa being early. That's my tummy rumbling from lack of food.
I heard, Garfield.
Excited by an old mirror. Hey, put some of that gratitude in feeding us all. Me especially. Follow. All the way home, I was angry.
Leave until I get a terrific idea for a new comic book I can present to Mr. Barker.
Hey, don't worry. I'll find some food. What was that? Oh, it's you. Hey, don't worry.
Hi, guys. Too bad there isn't enough of this for
Oh, there will be.
any of you.
And when you're done, here are some brownies I made for dessert.
Mrs. Ferret never finished it, so John put it in the container in the refrigerator.
Oh, that's good. John always saves.
All of that, and then I'll have this. Oh, this is utterly divine.
Odie, are you getting any food?
I'm not saved. Don't worry, Odie. It's not an avalanche. It's just my stomach